What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to show you guys a cool application that's going to allow you to put blank icons onto your home screen. Now, I actually forgot I had this app and I haven't used it in a long time. And my last live stream, I actually ended up using it because I wanted a row of icons to be invisible on the top, so it pushes these 3 rows down, and I thought it was really cool looking. So like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to do that, how to put blank icons onto your home screen. Now, this always works best with just a one-page setup because there will be icons there. It's just masking the wallpaper essentially. So whatever wallpaper you're using, the icon will match the wallpaper and appear to be invisible. So I generally like to do one-page setups. As you guys can see, this one looks pretty cool here. So the application is right here, and this is what it looks like when you launch the app. I will leave the App Store link in the description, and it is called Transparent App Icons. Like I said, the link will be in the description. But the first thing we need is a screenshot, as you guys can see there. So the way you do this is you go to your home screen, go ahead and put your icons into jiggle mode, and then go over to a blank page, take a quick screenshot, and we are good to begin creating them. So we'll go ahead and jump back into the app. We'll choose the screenshot, which was this one here. And as you can see, you can select which icons you want to make invisible. So you just click on here, and as you can see, there's the first one. So you just click the little download button, and then I'll go to the second one, download, third one, download, and then fourth one, download, just like so. Now we're actually, that's all I need, so I'm good. I don't need to use that app anymore. So basically now we need to create those 4 icons, and the way I like to do it is with shortcuts. And you can have it do pretty much anything. My shortcut's X weird here on 14.5. There we go. I'm just going to have it open up my settings application. You can really have these do anything you want. I just do it this way. I don't ever click them. I just do that because that's how I've been doing it. But I'm sure there's a way you could do it so it doesn't open up anything and it just tries to like run a number or something like that. But I'm just going to go ahead and then choose photo. And here are the 4 photos that I just made. So I'm going to do them right in order. So there's the first one, clear the name. You want to make sure you clear the name and then click add. And now I'm just going to repeat this 3 more times. So 3 dots, add to home screen, choose from photos, the second one there, choose, clear the name, add, done. I'm going to go ahead and do it again. Choose photo, that one, choose, clear the name, add, done, and then one more time for the 4th and final icon. Here we go. Clear the name, add, and done. And now we can cancel the new shortcut. We don't need it. We just used it to create the bookmarks. As you guys can see right there, it looks a little weird when they're not in the proper place. But to fix that, we can just go ahead and put everything back into jiggle mode. And as you can see, as I place them on that top row, they just kind of vanish once they go into place, just like so. And boom, we have an invisible row of icons. Now, of course, you could get crazy with this and put them all in different places. That way the icons look all offset, or make, you know, certain sized widgets appear lower. It's really up to you how you want to customize your home screen. This is just an example. And I thought it was really cool. It's a cool application to have on iOS 14. Again, I'll leave the App Store link down in the description. Let me know if you guys like what I'm doing with my lighting in my videos. I'm having a lot of fun playing with some different effects and stuff like that. And this is kind of a new experiment for me. So let me know if you guys like the change of lighting and appearance that I've been doing in my videos. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.